Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. In this rainy season, many of our flowers bloom, and this attracts many helpful insects such as butterflies and bees. And in these times, our garden is filled with these insects. But along with these, there are some other pests which harm our plant, such as mealybugs. In our last video, we told how you can prevent these mealybugs. But today, I'll be talking about a bigger problem. Yes, it is snail attack. You may have seen snails in your soil a couple of times. These snails may harm your plant. It may harm the plant by making small holes in the leaves, stems, flowers, tubers, and bulbs. And they can also kill young seedlings by completely eating them. One simple way to prevent this is by putting vegetable peels. The snails can be easily attracted by the peels, and you'll be able to find them lying on the peels. Then you just have to pick up the peels and discard them very far away from the garden. You'll be also able to find the snails next to the peels. So just pick up the snails from any tool and discard them somewhere far from the garden. There may be some other ways of doing this, but we try to do this in such a way so that the snails are not harmed in any way. This is very easy, and if you repeat the process, you will be able to notice that all the snails are gone from your plants. But there's one thing you should keep in mind all the time. It is that you must check your plants early morning, as they go under the ground as soon as the sun arrives. Now I'll be telling you a very effective fertilizer to give to your plants. It is nothing much, it's just crushed eggshells. While boosting your plants, it may also help get rid of the snails. As you know, the snails' body are very soft, so they cannot walk on eggshells. So if you use this, you may be able to see that most of the snails are gone. That's all for today. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.